In these two problems, the perimeter is a distance around the edge. So let's look at number 8. We can see that this is a half circle on the bottom, and then we have a larger half circle on top. So for the large half circle, or let's say the bottom half circle, this is a radius, which means this radius is the same length as this one. And for the large half circle, from the center to the edge, that's the radius, which is 2 of these tick marks. So that means it'll be 2 of these tick marks on this side as well. So each of these segments has a tick mark, and their lengths are each 2. So the red part of that green perimeter is half of a circle, half of a circumference. And the circumference of a circle is pi times diameter. And this red circle, this red semicircle, has a diameter of 2,468. All right, now let's add the green part. It's also a half circle, and its diameter is 2 plus 2, or 4. So half of a circumference is half of a pi times diameter. And that just leaves these black parts, which was 2 units long and 2 units long, or a total of 4 units long. So the perimeter for this shape in number 8 is exactly 6 pi plus 4, or approximately 22.85. That is the perimeter of the shape. How about the perimeter of this shape? Let's start with the straight parts of the edges. So this is a 9 by 9 square, so that's a side length of 9, and that's a side length of 9. So the blue part is 18. Now for this part of the perimeter, notice it's just part of a circumference. And it's exactly 3/4 of this green circle's circumference. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So using the formula 2 pi times radius for a circumference of a circle, the circle's radius is 9, so 2 pi times 9 is the circumference of the entire green circle, but we only wanted 3/4 of it. So that's 3/4 of 9 times 2, or 18 pi. And 3/4 times 18 is 3 times 18, 54, or 4 times 1, which reduces to 27 halves. So our final exact answer is 18 plus 27 pi over 2. And if we put this in our calculator, we should get an approximate answer that is 60.41. That is the perimeter of this shape, the length of this blue path.